I will talk about how can you back up on your Whoscall app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then you come here to backup now, just click on it. Then here when you just click on it, automatically here it's going to back up with you like you see here on your Whoscall app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.